Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we will discuss about the topic brainstorming. Friend, today we will discuss this topic with reference to project management, PMI, PMBOK, project management body of knowledge. And friend, if you are a student of project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP, or you are a student of business administration, so friend, this is a very important topic with reference to exam point of view. First of all, you will see this topic in the exam, and at least 4 to 5 questions will definitely be there in the exam of project management, business administration, etc. So you must have to know that what is brainstorming with reference to exam point of view, first of all. Secondly, friend, if you are a business manager, project coordinator, so again, this is very important to understand the concept of brainstorming, to use it practically, to use it professionally. Okay, so this is very necessary to understand the concept of brainstorming and use it in your professional life. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start brainstorming. Friend, if you just see the word brainstorming, so first of all, if you just see the term brainstorming, it will definitely comes in your mind that the something that is related to brain actually. Okay, brainstorming, something which is definitely related to brainstorming. As per the definition, friend, brainstorming is a method designed teams use to generate ideas to solve clearly defined design problem. In controlled conditions and a free thinking environment, teams approach a problem by such means: how might we questions. They produce a vast array of ideas and draw links between them to find potential solutions. Friend, basically, in the professional environment, we all know that we have to face lots of problems, lots of things we have to face. Let me give you an idea. For example, you are implementing the e-commerce solution, and once you deploy the solution on production, there was error coming on the production, and no one knows that what's the error is coming and why this error is coming. Okay, now what you will do in that situation? Error is coming on production and lots of issues are arising. So one thing is that you can do, you can just think, you can just remain sit on the laptop and solving the problem. One another thing which you can do is you can just go in the meeting room and call all the relevant stakeholders like project manager, technical team, other stakeholders, and just discuss with them that what's the problem going on actually, so that we can generate the ideas, we can reach to some point of level at which we can solve the problem. Friend, this is called an approach of brainstorming actually, in which basically we all the relevant stakeholders sit together and we tries to generate the ideas, and we uh, try to think that how we can solve the problem. Another thing is that another example you can take. For example, you have some investment in your hand, in your account, and you want to uh, start up. You want to start up. Okay, you want to start a new company. For example, you want to start a new software house. Let's take an example. So, friend, in that scenario, what you will do? Either you just you just invest your money without any thinking, or you can do like your friends, other relevant stakeholders can sit together. They just think about it, they just discuss about it, that how you can start a new idea, how you can start up, how you can invest your money. One thing is that like many situations are there, many ideas are there, like you can open a service industry a company, like you can start a new software house, you can start anything else. So the brainstorming session means that, friend, multiple stakeholders sit together. They try to generate the ideas so that they can solve the problem. This is an approach of brainstorming, friend, in which all the stakeholders sit together. They try to solve the problem. They try to reach some point of level which is acceptable for. And another important thing is that the environment should be open, friend. Every person is open to give his ideas, to talk about it without any fear, without any restriction, or so that they can give their ideas, friend. So the brainstorming session means that, friend, all sitting of all stakeholders which are relevant, they are giving their ideas openly without any fear, and the purpose of giving the ideas is to reach some conclusion or agreement point so that the problem can be solved. Friend, how to do the brainstorm? First of all, friend, whenever we are sitting together, there should be a time limit. Time limit means that, for example, if you are sitting in a meeting room, there should be a time limit, for example, 30 minutes or 1 hour, in which we must have to give the ideas, and we must have to give the solution as well. When you start, the problem should be clearly defined, that what's the problem is coming. For example, if we are sitting, like, problem is coming on production when we deploy the build of e-commerce on the production. So this is a problem, this is a very big problem. Another problem is that you want to invest your money to start a new company. Another target, or another issue, or another objective is that another target is that, for example, you want to invest in the property. So which property is better to invest, for example? So the problem or the target should be defined, clearly defined at the early stage. Refrain from judgment slash criticism. That means, friend, whenever we are giving the ideas, whenever we are discussing the things, just try to avoid the criticism and the judgment, like this is wrong, this is right, this should be done, should the criticism, like negative thinking or criticism, should be avoided. Encourage the ideas. Whatever the idea is coming, you should be giving the idea, you should be talking about it. This is very necessary. Try to generate the idea as much as possible. This is very necessary. If someone is giving the idea, so please don't try to avoid it. Always, if the idea is good, try to visualize it, try to build your idea on, and that idea as well on the other another idea. Visualization is better. Like, visualization means if you use the whiteboard or any paper to just to describe the visualization. Allow one conversation at a time. Like, this is not good that everyone is talking about it and everyone is giving the idea. First thing is that if ABC person has given the idea, so just try to for example, conclude his idea. If it is not practical, so then go for another idea. So one by one means, like, for example, five persons are sitting. So if one person has given the idea, so please try to conclude his idea first. If his idea is not successful or not practical, then go for any other idea. And why use brainstorming? The solution, the option answer is very obvious, friend. Friend, if five persons are sitting in a room, so that means five minds are sitting in a room. Okay, so five minds means five power of mind. So if one person is working, if one person is thinking, that means only one person mind is working. Brainstorming means, like, friend, that five persons with five minds are working, and they are working for only one objective. Okay, so obviously, friend, brainstorming is better, is a good option, and it is better to solve the problem, because brainstorming means collection of mind, collection of ideas. and collection of ideas means collection of solution of problems. Okay, if only one person is working trying to solve the problem, obviously he will take some time and not necessary that it will be correct. Also, if five persons, for example, are working for a problem to solve, obviously they can solve it earlier, and also there are chances that it has less error chances. Why? Because five persons are working for the same thing. Friend, in the brainstorming session, the focus on what needs to be done, who will do the things, where we will do, when, how, why. So these are the questions which normally discussed in the brainstorming session, and normally we try to find out the solution of these types of questions. So it's a very obvious questions in which in all types of brainstorming sessions we will discuss. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thank you, thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.